Hello everyone, this is just a sneak peek of the project that I'm working right now. This is a gift for a very good friend of mine, and I don't want her to know what I'm doing, but I decided to, well, let you know that I'm playing around as always and having fun. And this is just a sneak peek. Do you want to try to guess what I'm doing? Come on, leave it in the comment section area. I would love to hear from you. I'm just loving this project. It's so beautiful right now. But I'll show you everything in a few days, okay? Not before she receives a present, of course.